Obaseki celebrate Dame Uzamere at 60. Praise her for the exemplary life wey she dey live. Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki lead other top Ogbonge government people go the 60th birthday celebration of Dame Iriagbonse Joy Uzamere for St. Matthew's Cathedral for Benin City. Obaseki described the celebrant wey be the mother of the immediate past chief of staff to the governor, Mr. Osaze Ethan Uzamere, as virtuous woman wey dey always deliver any assignments wey dem give am.
I believe the bishop said it all. She's a pillar not only in the family and the church, but also in the community. Whatever assignment she's been asked to do, she's always done it to the best of her ability and has been, made herself the standard for excellence. As a teacher, we have so many lives she groomed. As a mother, she's produced excellent and very successful children. As a community leader, she continues to thrive in her business and give so much back to the community, to the church, and to society at large. So we thank God for her life. That's why we're here to celebrate her and to encourage her to continue to be who she is and what she is to be. And pray that God Almighty will give her long life, good health, and happiness.
Reverend Dr. Peter Imasoen, wey be the officiating priest, come describe Dame Uzamere as woman wey dey focused and as woman wey dey carry out every task wey dem give am well. He say she be gift to mankind and also her family.
A woman is to nurture. No wonder you women will come with men, my baby. You are your baby. As you carry those children, so you also carry us. She's very focused. We talk matter. I said she's the engine room. If we give her assignment, she's the one doing the assignment. She really have to make sure her and husband should not fail. To mankind. The Lord of heaven will bless you and keep you for us.
The Ogbonge people wey tanda for the birthday celebration na Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki, im wife Mrs. Bestie Obaseki, Edo State immediate past Chief Judge Esther Edigin, Edo State Head of Service Anthony Okungbowa, former Chairmo Edo State All Progressive Congress APC Ansem Ojezuwa, former Senator wey dey represent Edo South Senatorial District Senator Ehige Uzamere, Senator Matthew Uroide, among others. This one na the Ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una on top the cocoa for today. My name na Chidima Anichukwu from Benin.